Small, yeah.
Come on, get another puff.
Get a puff.
Come on, hold on. Come on, good job.
Nice. Nice. Come get some puff. Look at Keegan, she's trying to come get the food.
And there's the puff.
Come on, Keegan, go!
Just like the carrot in front of the donkey. Come on. You're almost there.
Can you hang on? Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on good. Yeah, come on.
Oh, Keegan. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Leah.
Come on.
Yay, Keegan. Nice.
Look at that. That's all we need.
Wow. Nope.
Come on, couple of more.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on. Good job. Yay.
And she got the puff.